special holidays for Memorial Day. 20% off is going strong right now to support every single of you. So I'm gonna apply one coat of the premium eye hold transfer foils. Here it for is 30 seconds. I'm gonna do all of them first, and then we're gonna transfer them all. And hey, Tammy, how are you? Happy Saturday. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am gonna continue to doing this one as well. Was just talking about like how we can make it fun on Saturday, doing it really fun, simple, easy now, so you all can enjoy with me without like falling to sleep or like taking so long. I just keep teasing with Mika that you don't need me. You can go back and take a nap and then come back see me. I'm still be here. All right, so again, I'm gonna using this too, like transfer foil, premium's eye hold transfer foil, and that's one. We want to do it right. Let's see. I'm excited. I'm using my really stunning tweezer I got to show you yesterday. It's really fun to using it for stickers, and then on the dual end, I close its end because I don't want to damage my tips of my tweezer. So I put it in my rubber lock right here, the cap, so don't lose that cap. And the other end is like a rubbers, really cool, and it's go so nice with the structure of the nail. So it's really fun to play with that tweezer, and it's just really sturdy tweezers. Look at that. Transfer every single thing for you. Can see that. So if you pick up your transfer foil, remember to pick up either one of this transfer foil, because that's gonna be your bestie for the transfer foil to transfer everything you want. This one, just in case, because there's special going on for holiday, for the Memorial. Absolutely, it's holiday sales right now, so take advantage from that. So you can see that it's just like really simple with transfer, because I want to move it a little bit lower because I want to do some crystal placement over here. So we're gonna move on to the next one. Right there. And this one is so randomly. You can do however you would like to. Maybe let me see if I can place this one really stunning. I am gonna do a crystal placement on this one as well. But I want to get all of my transfer foil. Just a little bit crease there, but it's okay. I have 2 coats of my gel painting on, and then premiums I hold transfer foil gel, then just transfer and cure for 30 seconds, and just transfer like just I'm so showing you right now. Right here missing, don't worry, just like it right back up. All right, so let's move into the next one. We have 2 of this. It's so much fun. It's just so fun, simple, easy, quick to do, everyone. I'm really enjoying it. I'm going ahead and do the 3rd one right here. I have the brown colors. Maybe a mauve color. I think is more than it's just saying brown.
More smoky.
Smoky? I think it's mauve though. Everyone's. All right, so premiums I hold transfer foil. Here for 30 seconds, and I'm going to do this one as well. Premium eye hold transfer foil. The reason it is I'm using it because I'm here 30 seconds, but if you're using the other transfer foil, make sure you keep for 60 seconds, okay? So how everyone doing on Saturday? All right, 30 seconds. for this one. Hi, Lily. Casual Lily, hello, how are you, love? Oh, nice. Okay, Tammy. Great, I'm so glad you be here for it. Look at the eye chamfer. This one is really stunning. It's super easy. I just chamfer right in front of you. This one I just make a crease, but it doesn't do... Is it done? This one done? Mm-hmm. All right. I could find better color, but this one looks cool, stunning as well. Just lay on it. And I'm gonna use my really cool dual end tweezer, and then the other end is gonna help me rub this. So awesome. Look. For everything. Tiny little pieces. You can't tell, but you can like it back up. Is it chamfer right for you? Two of this. I'm gonna do this and do some crystal placements. One more. Look at the one I just transferred. Come off. Just remember to get your pick up your chamfer foil gel. Is gonna help so much with. You gonna be here with me a little bit? No? Maybe? Did you get your toes finished? Mm-hmm. Oh, nice. Okay. Put some cool designs on it. This one I like though. Just get one spot right here. I just like it back up. Great. All right, so we have 4 of them, really stunning, really quick. You can see me doing it last few minutes, all of them. And there's from collections again. If you're just tuning in, it's so much fun. 39 and 38. I did 3 of them yesterday. It's so much fun. Everybody want to see it again, but in different looks. So as I promised, here you go. All right, so let me do some crystal placement using my anniversary crystal kits, which is create special for you with 20 different compartments with full size of the crystals. Oh,